हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग। स्वागत है मेरा एक और वीडियो में। और आज हम एल्मवुड ट्रायल्स को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। हम ढूंढ रहे थे कि मतलब अपना टास्क क्या था, देखते चेक करते वापस। लिली के फ़ोन पे क्लिक करो, टॉक टू लिली। मैंने ना इस लिली के नंबर निकाल लिए थे, अब चेक कर लेते हैं, वो उससे बात करते हैं। विक्टोरिया के उसमें मिल गए थे लिली का नंबर। लिली सच है भाई, अपना फ़ोन, ये लिली, इससे बात करते हैं। हाय लिली, दिस इज़ डिटेक्टिव एडम Lane, and I'm investigating the case of Zoe Leonard. This is police. I thought the police closed this case due to lack of evidence. Well, they did. I'm a private detective. Believe me. I believe I can find her. Zoe is my best friend. She was my only friend. What can you tell me about her? सीधे सवाल पूछेंगे भाई, इससे ज़्यादा वो नहीं करनी अपन को। Zoe was one of the sweetest soul in our school. Besides this, she had a sharp mind and was extremely talented. She was very friendly and her family loved her teases. She used to get good grades and even had the perfect boyfriend. I don't know what happened suddenly. Seems like she had no reason to run away. Exactly. इतने बढ़िया लाइफ होगी, क्यों भागेगी भाई वो। इसी पे तो स्टोरी है ना। She did have the perfect life. A lot of girls were even jealous. Not me though. I always wanted to be best for her. प्रिटेंड कर रही है अच्छी होने की है? When was the last time you saw her? Do you think something bad could have happened to her? क्या बोल रहा है भाई, सीधा पूछना। At school. वाह। Do you know where she... Wait, don't you know? She went to the party that night. What party? Some kids were having a private party at Zoe was planning on going. का उसी की बात करिए, अभी टिकट देखे थे ना अपन ने पिछले एपिसोड में वही। Zoe's parents gave a statement that she went for a sleepover over that night at your place. Well, never know, she could lie to her parents. Probably she went to the party with Betty and was planning to stay with her. Betty, another friend of Zoe. Are you like best buds with Betty? यही पूछते हैं। ये बेटी कौन है भाई? Me and Betty never say that once again and I'll block you. She was Zoe's friend. I never liked her influence on Zoe. She used to throw herself on Zoe every time. Zoe was always so kind to everyone, so she ignored this. Were you not invited to party? बता, बुलाया तो तूने पसंद नहीं करती उसको तो। Well, मैं जोई की बेस्ट फ्रेंड हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली बुलाया ही होगा। I had more important things to focus on than just partying with a bunch of idiots. हाँ भाई, seems like you didn't mix up with crowd well, हाँ? बहुत समझदार ये लड़की। लास्ट तक के हिंट, अरे नहीं भाई, लेना हिंट। I am someone who enjoy being with like-minded people. Other kids always try being over friendly with me because I am a scholar. I am the scholar. वाह भाई, बड़ी हाई सोचती अपने बारे में। I allow very limited people to be my friend. Whose party this was? Do you know? Yeah, it was organized by... Who is this? अरे कौन आ गया? लिली बोल। Don't you dare contact Lily again. Stay away. कौन आ? पक्का उसकी मम्मी पापा में से कोई होगा। ले ब्लॉक कर दिया। अरे यार छोड़ो। 17 जनवरी 2023, 25 को है। 25 दिन हो गए अब उसको गायब हुए। क्या टास्क है? कंप्लीट द डाटा रिकवरी प्रोसेस ऑन जोइस फोन. And how is this going to happen? Entering data recovery mode. Locate bed sectors. Preparing. क्या करना है इसमें? ओह रुको रुको, 2 3 4 परफेक्ट जगह पे, 9 जगह पे सही पे, 11 जगह पे, 12 सही पे, 13 जगह पे सही है. ये सही करना है मतलब. पहले इसको, फिर इसको, फिर इसको, ये हो गया. इजी पीजी ब्रो. क्लिक हियर. फाइंड जोई आउट. क्या आया? फाइंड जोई. Find out if Zoe went to out to a party from the recovery chats. देखा भाई. Zack. Your cat is meowing my ears away. Stop him. Zoe. Why can't you be a good brother for once and play with him? Let me sleep. I promise I'll do it tomorrow. He doesn't listen to you anyway. Where are you? Please speak up. अरे जोई, ये तो उसके बाद का ऐसे उठाया नहीं उसने फ़ोन तब. ये आगे बेटी, इसमें मिलेगा अपन को. शुरू से पढ़ते हैं. बेब, वी आर wanna go out to the party together night. Yeah बेटी, I am not sure about the party. Why? What's the issue now? अरे यार कैसे करूँ इसको? How dad, it's going to get pretty late. How should I ask him? Take my advice. Honey, don't ask. Just don't. अरे वाह, झूठ बोलने को बोल रही है तू. What do you mean? I do this all the time. Kyle helps me get down from the window and boom. Thanks but no. I can't even imagine what could happen in such a case if my family finds out. सही है. I was just trying to help. होगा तो क्या छित्तर पड़ेंगे तुझे फिर. Whatever, but I'm gonna see you at 8 Marjorie's. ठीक है भाई, चली जाएगी, आ जाएगी मतलब. I'll see what I can do. No excuse darling. Hey, is Kyle with you? He received some call and just went away. Why are you looking for Kyle? Nothing important. Some stuff about Brad. Wait, did Brad do something? Kyle won't be any help if that's the case. These boys I tell you. Always stick out of each other. It's nothing like that. OMG, is Brad planning to do something special? ले भाई, एक क्लू मिला अपन को. चमक रहा था तो. Betty, not now. I don't have time for this. Are you not even a bit excited? If it was Kyle in his place, I would have gone mad already. Betty, you know how I feel about all this. Yeah, I know how you act anyway. Whatever. Hey Betty, do you have any passes left for party? I have checked, but I'll let you know in 5. I only have 2 passes left. Can you send both of these to me, please? May I ask you, who are these for? No one special, just some friends. I hope it's not Lily. No, not Lily. Then I'll just mail them to you. मेल किया तो चेक तो करना पड़ेगा ईमेल में. देखा तो था मैंने पास. Give to whoever you want, just not that freak. Yup, deal. Please send them ASAP. Talk to your dad. I will. Girl, what are you waiting for? Later you ask, the lesser the chance. Yeah. Give me some time. It's been months since we went out this late, and that's too far for a party with the boys. Just asking you to be quiet. Let's meet at Lily's place at 8. तो भाई लिली बोल रही है मेरे पास आई नहीं, और ये बोल रही है कि लिली के पास मिलेंगे. लिली, I told you to stay away from that freak. Girl like us cannot be seen with girls like her. हाँ, इतना अलग समझती है तू. Why you gotta be some so mean? She is my best friend. Betty. Also, Lily is not coming with us. Her parents won't allow her. Won't allow her? Who even invited that nerd? I did. I told you, Betty. Watch your language in front of me. You both my friends. Make peace for my sake. Okay, whatever. Why her place though? If she is not coming, I told my dad I'm going for a sleepover at her place. Oh, तो इसने बोला उसके स्लीपर में जाएगी. OMG, where to go? So you got an all night pass then? No, I told you I wouldn't be going with you guys after the party. Okay, whatever. I'll meet you at Marjorie's, जो भी हो. Marjorie's. I love you, but I still cannot be seen anywhere near her house. No problem, I'll see you at Marjorie's then. See you at 8, bye. Hey Zoe, pick up the phone. What happened? Zoe, where are you? Your parents miserably said, well, बस इतना ही था क्या? ठीक है, इनफ मिल गया. इतने तो है मिसिंग चैट्स. Zoe, here are the week's updates. Case. Riverstone Delhi. All the news you need and more. Case of the girl who went missing. Marked as a runaway by the Riverstone police. Her parents disguised. Her dad says there was no reason for her daughter to run away. Zoe Leonard, 18 years. Zoe Leonard, 18, resident of Riverstone who lived on Hillwood Street. Went missing on the night of 23rd December, a day before Christmas Eve. According to her dad, Joseph Leonard, she went for a sleepover at her friend Lily's place. She was last seen by her father, leaving at the house at 8 p.m. No one knows what happened after this. Police closed the case today after a week of declaring it as a runaway. It has shattered the victim's parents' dream of ever finding their daughter back. STG. Statement site. Carter said, it would be horrifying if something happens to that girl. I hope the best for her and her parents. Riverstone High organized a gathering where all the students hope Zoe to come back. Wherever Zoe is, we can't be sure if she is safe. Whether she actually ran away or not remains unclear. Elma Welsi. Editor. Find the owner of any clue card. ये तो बाद में काम आएगा. क्या ही काम आएगा अपने अभी. Get the info about location of the house party. उस पे लिखा होगा ना जो इसने टिकट भेजी थी. I mean, कहाँ पे है वो? बेटी ने भेजी थी क्या? हाँ, यही तो है. इस पे लिखा होगा ना 69.2 and 77. न्यू फोटोज तो अपने बाद में काम आएगी. पहले वो इन्फॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. इसके फ़ोन में चलो. अरे बाहर चल. ब्राउज़र पे जाना पड़ेगा शायद. रिवरस्टोन मैप. थिंक सो. क्या है? 69.2 and 77.1. 69.2 77.1 77.1 है. 7.1. Okay, Tritops mention. Find out Betty's contact to question her about the party. Betty, अरे ये तो अपना आ गया. Zoe. Betty. वाह यार, सबके प्राइवेट इसने प्राइवेट निकल रखे कॉन्टेक्ट. इसी से करें फिर बात. और क्या. Hey Betty. Hello Betty, this is Detective Adam Lane. I am investigating the case of Zoe Leonard. Detective Zoe. What's going on? Are you like Sherlock or something? I'm a private detective. Oh, you kids, we think we all detectives are the same. But just go away then. Don't waste your time talking to kids. I want you to answer some questions regarding Zoe. But am I answerable to you? I guess we both are the same side, don't you think? हाँ भाई बता, तेरे को भी फाइंड करना दोस्त को, तेरे को मेरे को भी करना है. I don't see how. We both wanna find Zoe, right? अब River Stone is incomplete without her. You have no idea how cast down I have been since she went missing. I got dark circles under my eyes crying for her. I have to buy new concealers every now and then. Concealers. Whoever is behind this must die the most agonized that we can ever think of. Sounds like you're deeply affected by the incident. Obviously, I and Zoe were like real tight, like best buds. So Lily was not her best friend then, huh? Well, Zoe ने भी यही कहा था कि लिली मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. Lily, she has friends. Well, that's some news to me. That's what Lily said. Why can't she have friends? Pata? Because nerds like her don't have friends. Wow. I guess Zoe had a best friend then. Few best friend then. One, her name is Patty. Being her best friend, you must have gone that party as well with her. You need to have better source, detective. I did go to the party with Zoe, but before the party she went to Lily's place. She lied about her sleepover at her place. But Lily said Zoe never come to her place. Obviously she is lying. Duh. Can't you see that? Even her parents told the same to the police. God, who made you detective? I'm Zoe's last hope if she alive. So just answer me if you really want her back. Oh, looks like I hurt your ego. I deal with girls like you on a daily basis, so just save it. You stranger, how are you dare speak like that? Just answer my question, we both can get back to our step. Okay, alright. Ask away. Detective, I don't have much time anyway. I gotta hit the gym. What do you know about her perfect boyfriend? Is there anyone you know who's really close to Zoe? Apart from me, there's her boyfriend Brad. Where was he the night Zoe went missing? ये बता, सीधा पूछते हैं इससे. बता. I don't know where he was. Okay, then what do you know about this following address? बता. Walnut Street. Wait, how did you get this? You have been there, right? No, I have never. Did you and Zoe go to the party organized? No, I didn't. Sorry, I gotta go. My train is waiting. Also, I would advise you to stay away unless you want some trouble. What, is that a threat? Now a girl like you give me trouble, huh? बता, बैडी पक्की के? पक्का ही भैया ये तो. क्या करें? Connect the clues. Let's connect the clues. Who was organized this party? Betty don't want us to know about the party. Zoe's parents and Betty said that Zoe went to Lily's place. Lily said Zoe went straight to party. ये दो clues mix हो गए. ये दो हो गए शायद. Where was the last spotted? Whoever interact with Zoe last must know something. Yeah. Basically, Leo is possibly lying to us to hide the fact that Zoe come to her place the night she disappeared. Zoe then went to the party with the Betty, who has been very secretive about it. Someone at the party must have last interacted with Zoe before she went missing. Think so. ओके देन, इतने क्लू हैं अभी तक तो इतने ही मिले थे. जाऊं बाहर. वो आया. रीड जोइस डायरी नोट. I pedal down the streets, racing wind so bold and swift. Been using it forever. It was the one and perfect. अरे अभी अपने वो एक देखी थी ना, क्या बोलते साइकिल देखी थी ना फोटोज में, न्यू फोटोज में आई थी जो. हाँ ये कितने शब्द है वहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली. साइकिल का तो कोई नाम नहीं है. तो वर्ड कितने 4 3 7 7 वर्ड्स का है टोटल. हाँ 7 वर्ड्स. हाँ तो एक है फ्रॉम मोम. साइकिल पे तो कोई पैटर्न नहीं बना हुआ तो फिर यही होगा फ्रॉम मोम. ये डाल के देखते हैं पहले. एफ नीचे से नीचे से नीचे से नीचे से नीचे से भाई नीचे से. ओ मोम from M-O Bow M from mom. खुल गया यार.
18th birthday. I didn't wish for a perfect life, straight A's, or a smooth career. I just wished that I would start writing. So, here I am. My close ones made sure this birthday was the best one yet. The highlight was definitely the pink bicycle that my mom gifted me.
Pink bicycle by color change है. Note करना पड़ेगा इसको.
For herself too, so we'll be twinning now. Betty gave me a sweater with her name on it. Not surprised. Kevin gifted me a small basket to attach to my bicycle. My cat can also now tag along with me on my endless rides. It melts my heart to imagine him sitting in the basket.
भाई कोड आया नीचे. हाँ ये नीचे ऊपर नीचे नीचे राइट राइट ऊपर. अच्छा ये आएगी कहाँ पे लगेगी ये, लेकिन क्या है ये. टॉक टू लिली वापिस. हे hey you there. Sorry about that, it was my mom. You got me worried for a sec. That was strange indeed. My parents are very overprotective of me. They never allowed me to really help the police. Maybe this was the reason of the police had shut down the case soon. हाँ भाई यही रीज़न है. तो इसके मम्मी पापा देख रहे भाई मेरी बेटी को बच्चा ले, बस यही एक वो क्या बोलते हैं, इसे नहीं करा भाई अगवा, इसके मम्मी पापा ने किया है. मे बी द पुलिस नेवर ट्राइड दैट हार्ड. एनीवे आई हैड अ चैट विद बेटी. भाई बात करते मैंने उससे, वो बोले तो उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही ना है बता. एंड what did she say? If I were you, I'd put her on top of my suspect list. Well, she had a similar opinion about you. What do you mean? She said that Zoe did visit your place before going to the party. Well, last time I checked, Zoe never entered someone's place without the permission. You don't have to lie, Lily. I don't know what to say. Why you don't know? I told you everything I know. It's time. It's up to you if you want to believe me or not. हाँ भाई, या तो तू पागल या मैं पागल या बेटी पागल, मतलब तुम दोनों पागल लग रहे हो. डू यू नो वट एनीथिंग वट अबाउट दिस एड्रेस? बता दूँ, ये एड्रेस भेज रहा हूँ मैं तेरे को, बता. ट्री टॉप्स मेंशन वॉलनट स्ट्रीट. वॉलनट स्ट्रीट, नेवर बीन देयर. Heard that's where rich in the town lives. Are you sure this was where the party took place the night Zoe went missing? Are you sure? You know I didn't go to party, right? How would I know? You should try ask Betty. She was the one handing out the passes. Betty probably knows something, but she's not ready to talk. How can I get through to her? Shouldn't talk to me. Let me think. Well, if there is something that Betty is really concerned about, it's her image. If you can leverage her with something, she might start cooperating. Blackmailing? Unethical on one part. ये बताओ. Detective gotta take any road to solve the case. You can always reach out to me if you get something on her. Let me tell you, I have my ways with tech. As in hacking. I think I gotta do something work then. As in hacking? Hacking? It's a fancy word. अरे कितनी बढ़िया है इसे तू. Not really about what, but whatever. Not really that, but whatever you like. Right? Find Betty's image. वक्का वो. ये वाली इमेज. Hidden image. मिल गई बेटी की इमेज. अब करेंगे बेटी की इमेज खराब. बेटी, मेक बेटी टॉक. बेटी, ये ले बेटी. What? How did you get this photo? Why are you sending this to me? I want you to never text me again. Start talking then. What do you know about that address? You can't do anything with this. You think you can scare me? Maybe Lily would interested in something like this. हाँ भाई बता, लिली को पसंद होगी शायद. हाँ, that moron will blackmail me now. Isn't she a tech freak? Can easily destroy your image. You got it all wrong, sir. She's just a freak. Well, if you want to take your chance, let me do the honors. I don't care what you do. ऐसा क्या? That little shithead thinks she can blackmail me. Now I know what your real intention are. नहीं रे बेटी. Do you send her a photo? I Adam.
हमारे ना भाई.
इतनी देर से कर रही थी कि मैं बताऊं कर ले क्या करेगा. ले अब बता. है? You cannot do that. Please wait.
अरे और आता जोड़ी कर मेरे सामने.
Well then just answer my question. I swear on my profession that I would just delete it once we are done. Who gave you this photo? It is possible you got it by yourself. I guess that is not important here. Okay, fine. I'll tell you everything I know. This address, what do you know about this? सीधी बात, नो बकवास बता. देयर इज नथिंग टू टेल रियली। तो फिर बता ही दे। इट वाज जस्ट द वेन्यू फॉर द पार्टी। डिड यू सिलेक्ट द वेन्यू? यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग द पासेस, सो यू मस्ट हैव सेलेक्टेड द वेन्यू। ये बता, तू पासेस तो तू प्रोवाइड करती है, तो तूने सेलेक्ट करेंगे? नहीं, इट वाजंट मी, ट्रस्ट मी, आई ट्रस्ट यू। सो हुज प्लेस वाज दैट? हाउ would I know, sir, that sir? I mean, I was just told about the venue, that's it. So who told you about it? बता 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 बता। Zoe, yes, she invited me. Seriously, how much can you lie? अरे भाई, पास तूने भेजा उसको। Trust me, why would I lie? I know you're providing the passes. You invited Zoe and got her the passes. It was Kyle. आ गए ना भाई, सीधे सीधे। It was Kyle's uncle's house. Who is this Kyle? कौन है भाई ये Kyle? He is the quarterback on our school's football team. अच्छा, and he is also my boyfriend. So I know he has got nothing to do with this. Where was the Kyle night Zoe disappeared? ये बता दो तो। चल छोड़, दूसरा वाला पूछते हैं। Hello for that night. Yeah, he was with me all night. What more do you wanna know? Was his uncle aware of this party? He gifted this place to him his last birthday. He really don't care what Kyle does with it. Can you believe that? I mean, he's so amazing, right? Couldn't care less. Just give me the contact details. I'm not sure about this, sorry. Betty, you know what's at stake here. Here, don't you? No, sir. I am dead serious. I can't just give his number like that. Also, he told me not to. He would break up with me. Please try to understand. I know what I can do. You know what I can do. You can't do nothing. Do whatever you want. We are done here. Betty goes offline. January 2023. 27, 28, 29। भाई बहुत दिन हो गए लड़की गायब हुए। अब a new item has arrived. Betty की फोटो। A new photo. We all want Zoe back. May this help you in finding her. एक फोटो और मिल गई, ये भी सस्पेक्ट लिस्ट में आ गई। और अपन को क्या मिला था? टास्क क्या है? फाइंड अ वेबसाइट टू गेट मोर इन्फो ऑन कार। अपने देखी तो थी वो एक कार फाइंड करने वाली, लेकिन उसको अपन नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। अभी के लिए इतना ही, वीडियो लंबी हो गई यार, इसलिए तब तक लिए बाय बाय।